Daddy, where are you?
I am here.
Daddy, shall we go take your luggage and come with me?
Okay, my dear son.
Give it to me.
May I know where we are going now?
Dad, just keep quiet and come with me. Come in, sir.
Come in.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
By the grace of God, I am fine. What about you?
Fine, sir. My father is waiting outside. Shall I call him, sir?
Okay. Good morning, sir. Good morning.
I take your luggage and come.
Hi, my dear friend. Hi. How are you? I am fine. I request you, please don't give that food to my son. It's my kind request. Okay, my dear friend. Don't worry.
May I come in, sir?
With pleasure.
Dad, please do not misunderstand me. There is no other way. You please stay in this old age home. Sir will take care of you. Every week I come and see you. I miss you, Dad.
Okay, sir. You will go and you will go. You will go inside. I would like to finish the formalities with your son. Okay. Dear son, few years back, your father came to meet my place and requested me to adopt a child to in our orphanage. We handed over a male orphanage to your father. The child is nothing but you only the adopted child to your father. He has given everything for you, but you put him in the old age home. It is correct or not?
Sir, I made a mistake. Now I realize my dad's selfless love. Whatever it may be, I will take him to my home. Dad, where are you? Come with me and forgive me.
No, my son. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, students.